Yeah, ukhuluma ngami. It's fine.
Waza angijwayeli kabi wena selokhu ubhizi upreach izwi la uNkulunkulu ngabantu abayi-for i-testimony iphi okokuqala uhambe wakhuluma amanga wayosiposta ku-TikTok wayositshela ukuthi thina kamakamu sikuphethe kabi awukaze wena wasiza ukusebenza awukaze wasiza ukusebenza wena awukaze wasiza uhamba ubhizi ukhuthana nabantu kuma-TikTok batshela ngezwi lakaNkulunkulu ukuthi bakusendele imali bakufunela isono angishise sesi alinye umuntu wakaNkulunkulu ozathi isifebe ngeke uze ngithathe isitulo ushema abakwazi iyenze leyo TikTok nami ngizoyenza ngikutheke sesi hlangana nentanga yakho ujwayela ukuchutha imali la manzo hayi yokujwayela kabi lona ujwayela abe popcorn senjob
That's when we started arguing. Then she's like, indanga zami ziyadrive zineimoto bashadile abana bantwana. She's telling me why mina ngingapreventanga. Like, okay, now I've got 4 kids. Ngizisole, ngibabulale, ngenzeni? Like, I don't know, what should I do? Yes, I thought I was strong. Yes, I'm strong, but ezinye izinto, it reminded me yonke into engidlule kiyo ukuthi angizange ngizikhethele, guys. Ngifuna if uzobukela le video and you're a mom, ngifuna ube kind kubanye abantwana babanye abantu, ngifuna ufunde ukuthanda abanye abantu because awumazi umuntu odlule. And it reminded me mengiqala ukusebenza lapho because ngize ngaphekha ngavele ngathi yazi angisafuna ukuthengisela la ngizoshifta ngizothola enye indawo. She reminded me ukuthi before ngithengisa estradini I had to take, because she's like indaka zakhe azithengisa estradini abathengisa ama second hand bayasebenza bayadrive abashadile abanabantwana why ungapreventanga. I did not choose the life I have right now. Some of the decisions, yes, they impacted, but angizikhethelanga yonke into. God had to allow me ukuthi ngidlule in whatever that I've been through. And she's like, yo, guys, I'm so hurt, but I know God will heal me. I'm just making this video ukuthi let's learn to be kind. Umuntu ungamjudge. Umuntu if you decide ukwenza the way enza ngakhona, do not judge anyone. She just reminded me ukuthi I'm telling her ukuthi I was la ngibuya khona, I took shit lami lombede to buy clothes, second-hand clothes. Even I took my own clothes to sell them because Meling provided for the children, and yet you are here insulting me about what I'm doing. I even bragged to her. I think I'm doing better than you. Young, you are old, but I think I'm doing better than you because anyway you depend on boyfriend, but I'm able to stand on my 2 feet. Yo, I was so hurt today, and it's my birth month, and usatane devil, even if you were speaking through that lady, but I will not be defined by my mistakes. I will not be defined by everything that I've been through. I will not be defined by my status. I'll be defined by the name of Jesus. I'm a child of God, and I will win, and I will make it, and I'm victorious. And I'm stronger than this. And God, if God is for me, nothing will be against me. I love you guys. I'm making this video because I love you guys, and ngifuna guys nibe kind kubanye abantu.
So you guys, that apparently is the alleged Bishop Makamu's employee who insulted, of course, street vendor Uziyanda, you guys. And I'm guessing that she saw the long video that Uziyanda did and she decided to retaliate. Uziyanda took that and captured it on camera and posted on her TikTok. And the fuming lady is saying that she's not Uziyanda is not as perfect as she paints herself to be here on TikTok. She said that she's definitely coming back with her own story. She says that she came on TikTok with a lame sob story so that people can feel sorry for her, donate money for her, and she was lying. She said that Uziyanda called her a bitch. What kind of a Christian lady does that? She says, how dare you come here and try to tarnish the Bishop Makamu brand, try to tarnish, of course, my name. I didn't start with you. You're the one who started with me. You argued with me, and then you called me a bitch, and then you had the audacity to go on TikTok for sympathy and lie on my name so that people can feel sorry for you. She said that yes, you have warned them, but they do not know you. I'm definitely gonna come on TikTok with my own side of the story. She was so close to her face, and had that lady not probably, you know, entered the whole thing and tried to stop the fight, it would have gotten physical, I felt. So you guys, now people in the comment section were saying, why is Bishop Makamu, mom, why is he not saying anything about this altercation? Why is he not at least trying to make peace between the two? Because this is going to be an ongoing thing, as this street vendor sells her clothes opposite the Makamu offices, you guys. And that lady said that Uzi Handa is not as Christian-like as she paints herself here on TikTok. What do you guys think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like this video, of course. Do subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.